How's it going, everyone? Another one, which is going to Loxahatchee, Florida. And just look at this wand. I just love this wand. This is a special Apprentice wand. And it is made of cedar wood with the length of 12.5 inches and a dragon heartstring core. And I'll go ahead and show it down here as well. It's got a beautiful rich color. I did a white and gray highlight to really accentuate all this detail here. And then there are some runes right on the beginning of the shaft there. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful wand. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and put in the comments below what you think about this wand and what you think about these kind of videos. Hopefully you like them, because I'm making a few of them. But that's all for now. See you on the next one.